You are a great student, so you know very well all the things.
Yeah,
So
actually, I didn't know a few minutes ago. I came to know that today's topic is mother.
okay, no issue, but it's not really typical and tough topic. It's really easy. So I believe in you, and just you will speak very well about it. So the
Yeah,
first
sure.
question I would like to ask to you, I think this topic, how close you are to your mother? How close?
Yeah, I think I am very close to my mother. Okay, because I always used to talk with her. I never sleep without talking her. Okay, so it is the thing, and actually sometimes, and she never forgets to ask me about my food, about my health. Okay, and that is the thing that I feel very close to her.
That's great fact about mom. If you will talk to anyone in this world, I think that person will not ask you about your health and food. But the mom is
Hmm.
the one of the most important person in your life. I think who will
Yeah,
always ask to you, what about your food?
yeah,
She will not ask about anything else first. But what do you
yeah,
think?
yeah.
What about your mother? I think when you people, both of you will do the job. What about your mother? See, you have a younger brother as well. I think so.
Yeah, yeah. I have a brother and I have a sister.
Oh, that's not a problem. I was thinking you were a
Hmm.
single child after that, so she will get problem.
No, no. Even that there would be no problem, no issue for us. Okay. So what? We will keep our parents with us. Okay.
So
But
you are such a great pair like Romeo and Juliet.
yeah, yeah. But
Yeah.
our parents, they don't want to live with us nowadays. Okay, because they are enough strong. Okay, they are doing their work in village, so then that's why they don't like to live with us. They don't want to
And
come
yeah, of
here.
course. And they don't want to live in city and they're not feeling that much good, of course, because in village they have everything according to them. They would like to go the neighbor's home, but in city you can't go to the neighbor's home for talking. There are flats and the people they're not caring about anyone. So in the villages the culture is really different. So
Yeah, yeah, right.
yeah, that's why. So okay. So now I think I would like to ask one more question to you. Like, have you done anything special for your mom? I think till now. If yes, so what?
Actually, I didn't any special, but I always to do so many things for mother. Okay, I always try to help. I always try to support her. Okay, and as I remember, that I didn't do any special, but I did so many things for my mother.
Oh, that's
Okay.
great. What about presents? I think have you ever I think just purchase a present and a kind of gift for your mother? Because right now you are a job holder and you do have
Hmm.
job for 3 years. So have you
Hmm.
ever purchased a kind of surprise gift for her?
Yeah, I have purchased some clothes for her, and I always try to purchase something, means a home utensil for our home. Right?
That's great. That's great thing
Yeah.
about you. And the next thing I would like to ask to you, what about you? Like you have ever celebrated the anniversary of your parents, marriage
No,
anniversary?
actually, no, no. I haven't celebrated any parents' anniversary. Okay, because in village it is not prevalence. Okay, that's why I think it is not celebrated in village. Okay,
Yeah, but
that's why.
according to me,
And
I
I
must
think
say have
I don't even know I don't even know my parents' marriage anniversary date.
yes, okay, I got it.
Okay.
But
Yes.
sometimes when I think your mom will be in a good mood, you have to ask, like, mom, when you got married, and you have to try to give a surprise to, I think, her for a marriage anniversary because nowadays it is happening. Of course, it
Mhm.
is not happening in villages, but the son and daughter of them, they are doing job, they can do that, and they are really happy because they are feeling really important at that point of time, right?
Yeah, right, right. But I think I don't know whether she knows
She likes it
or
or
not.
not. Yeah. So now I think if I will ask to you, describe your mother in I think 4 to 5 sentences in a very I think well structured sentences.
Yeah, actually, it is not possible to describe my mother in three or four sentences. Actually, my mother is enough for my life. Okay, she has sacrificed all the thing for us. Once I had no money to get admission in my college. That time my mother sold her own earring for me, and she got me admitted in college. Okay, so that are the things that I can't forget anytime. Okay, and the most important thing is that she is means she always sacrifice for us, right? Sometimes she sacrifice some food for us. Sometimes she gives some money, and when we were studying that time, she used to give us money. And I think I didn't know very well that from where she got the money, but she managed to give us money for our study. Okay, so these are the things that means in concludingly, I can say that she always sacrificed for us.
Yes. So it means I think you can't conclude her in 4 to 5 sentences. Even though if you will write a book, also that will be less for her
Yeah, right.
because he has a lot more characteristics, right?
Yeah, because she has done so many things for us, right? And even though she is still doing, right?
Mm.
She is doing her work. She doesn't want to give up her work. She keeps on doing her work.
Yes, and she has no holiday in her schedule. She has
Yeah,
to
right.
work. I think she has to work like 365 days a year.
Yeah, that's right. Actually, once some days ago, I told my mother that why are you doing so many works in Blaze? Okay, why don't you come to me? Okay, then my mother told me, so then what will I do? You are doing your job. Okay, so what will I do? Because I don't have anything to do. That's why I'm doing. Okay, yeah. Then I was so impressed. Okay, wow.
Yeah, of course, because she will feel bored after that because you will go for your job, and
Hmm.
of course, I think if your wife will be also there, she will also go for her job.
I think it is with every mother. We always order to our mother, okay, just I need the thing. I want to eat the meal. Okay, I want to take this thing. Okay, but and she provides us. Suppose we have to read some special food. Okay, then I just uh, tell to my mother, okay, that I want to eat like, and I want to have this, and she makes the thing for us, right? Yeah, so I think it is very precious thing in our mother.
Exactly, of course, I think she's very special kind of human being in her life always.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
that's really great. And now I think I would like to ask one more question to you. So what is the
Mm.
best memory, I think, in your childhood with your mother? So have you remembered?
Mm. Yeah, actually, I don't remember any special moment, but when I was with my mother, that I always try to be with her. Okay, wherever she goes, wherever she went, I used to go with her. Okay, so it
Yeah.
was special. I don't remember very well, but a few years ago, when I was a kid, that time I had gone to my maternal uncle's house with my mother. And that time there was no any suitable vehicle for that. But I and my mother had gone on our foot. Okay, and it was 10 kilometers that we had gone with our foot, right?
Yeah.
And we
Yeah,
had also
feet.
some,
Yeah.
yeah, feet, and we had also some luggage with us, but somehow we managed to go. So I think I am still remember the thing.
Yeah, that's great. That's great thing, of course. I just I likes a lot whatever you told. I like a lot. So, but the second thing I would like to say to you, what about now? I think you would like to miss any time. Sometimes you would like to miss to your mom because you're too busy with your schedule, with your study, with a lot more stuff. So sometimes you are getting any moment when you are missing her.
Yeah, yeah, I always miss her, and I each and every second I miss her. Okay, but the thing is that I can't be with her each and every time because I have to do our work, and I am doing my job means only for them. Okay, that's why sometimes I think that I am okay. So what if I'm not able to be with our family, with my mother, right? And so that is the thing that I always talk to my mother. I talk to my mother daily. Okay, and I ask about her. I ask about family. So these are the things that I somehow manage live alone.
Yes, that's great. I think you do have the spirit to do the job for themselves, right? That's great. And thank you so much, Nayan sir, for joining me today as well. And I'm very happy. so, so in the last, I would like to tell you, you spoke very well today. And of course, I think, but I have found, I think, one or two mistakes. Like, you said like luggage. You have to say luggage, pronunciation mistake.
Mm.
So yeah, that's the I think. Except that you spoke very well today, and I'm really happy to know about your mother. So I will always hope and pray for your mother to be best. So
Yeah, yeah.